What's that?
It's the Dubai chocolate fake version.
Do from you.
I think I should change mine.
Cookies and cream.
Not a fan. Okay.
Okay na yung sa'yo.
Ah, sige. Ito ba yung gusto mo?
Hey. Fresh from Japan. She is fresh from Japan.
Konnichiwa.
From Japan.
Ariga, thanks for the memories.
Is this a vlog?
Choose one. I want this one, yung nakahiga. Or yung naka-squat. Or yung may dog or
Lahat
cat.
na, lahat.
Actually, gusto ko lahat.
Ako gusto ko yung dalawa. Para sulit. Sabi ko yung dalawa para sulit.
Alam mo yan, dalawa.
I want this. Or this.
Cat.
Magiging exclusive. Balak namin ni Andre, sali kami ng March 10 Pilates as ang target din natin is on-site na full hindi.
Step by step. Okay lang siguro.
Lakad ka. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to with ingay. So, kala may apple. Ano ba?
Order lang na.
Kailangan mo
Email daw nilagay ni Clarence, hindi pangalan niya.
Wala man siya. Sabi mo.
Ako to.
Sign up and set up your profile.
Ah, okay.
And poof, it became Coco Crush. Ang ano? Coco Melon.
Dalawa?
Ang ano ng boom, tanggalin natin.
Oo, medyo... And bam!
May ano na yan?
Ilalabas ko yung laptop.
Ito yung detail.
We are done for the day. Dito? Yeah. Hey guys. So while waiting for a parking spot, we're gonna unbox some blind bags. Unbox some muffas and hippers. Gusto ko yung shark meow.
Ay, ano yung gusto nyo?
Ako yung
Shark
octopus.
meow.
Octopus.
Sana
because
may
it's
makakuha sa atin ng secret.
pink. 2, 3, go!
Nakuha ng octopus, oh.
Ano? Ano pag shark to?
Pag shark yan, palit tayo. Ay! Palit tayo!
Papalit kami.
Okay, wala nang joy. Tapos ang joy.
Tapos yung 5 minutes of... Oh. Hello! Wala na kaming magawa, so nag-walk-in na lang kami sa Pop Mart. Maupasan, Smiski, Sunny Angel, and now, Pop Mart. Ito yata yung mas wala nang buo siya. That's some Pop Mart. She's late to the party. Gusto ko yung ano, ito, child. May plastic pa. Gano'n yun. Sad boy. So guys, before we go home, we're gonna unbox some of the blind box we bought from Fully Booked. Sana hindi ito. Lord. What the fuck? Ano to? Ano yun? Wait, ito na. Wait lang. We bought the same. Gusto ko yung may laptop. Ako rin. Sige, o kaya yung nagmamadali. Meron ako nung nagtuturo. 1, 2, 3. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. May balat ata ako sa puwet, guys. Check ko lang, ma'am. Meron na ako. Sige na, palit na tayo. Please. Meron na ako nung ano, may hawak na baso. Pag ito meron na magpapakamatay na ako. Ibubunggo ko sa What are the odds? Ano yun? Bukas bibili ulit. Okay guys, so we're going home. See you tomorrow for Pilates and more unboxing.
Abangan ko yung Pop Mart haul vlog ni Ronel.
Good morning. It's another day of unboxing. Unboxing. But we're going to Pilates. I hate this. I hate this.
5, 6, 7, 2, 8, 9.
Inhale, exhale, right leg out. Inhale and come down. Left leg down, exhale out. So the abs are working. Relax. And 5, good. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Split without moving. Make sure that the spine is neutral. Imprint in the air.
Hello, we're done for today's Pilates. It's so foggy, guys. Oh. Yung isa dito, parang muntik na mautot. Another day, another unboxing. We got the same book. Saturday. Ayan. Yan. Or yung hula hoop or yung nag-sit ups or yung nagagalit. Sabi ko yun, sit ups ko. Last night we had Thai food. Japanese food. Basay-basay. Another peach riot for her. Yes. Anything na hindi pink. Gusto mo yung brown para sa mga bags kong brown. Cute! 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 Ay! May pink, may pink. Okay, may hint pa yung pink pero fine. Everyone, so last unboxing for this vlog. Oh my god. Ang bobo ko magbukas sa gilid. So gusto nyo lang kahit anong brown. Ito na, ito na. Pakita mo kami sa ay, okay, okay. Magugustuhan mo yan. I got police woman. Gusto ko brown. Guys, look. Atay ko pa. Oo ko na. Alam ko ba? Bumalik ka dun, bumalik ka pa. Balik tayo. Tara to. Mamadali. Gusto ko ito nagmamadali. Gabi ito ng smiski, ito lang yung meron. Wow! Isa lang sa... Ay, balik tayo pa. Oh, sige. Balik. Wow, gusto ko yung may anak.
Ay, gusto ko yung may bubbles.
May nag-iisipan niya pa kung ano. Ay, gusto ko yung ibo. Sana may anak yan. Ay, wala. Ano yan? Boring lang. Ay, gusto mo? Oh, sige, palit tayo. Okay lang. Sa books ko na lang. Guys, we went back for our very last unboxing. Nyama ko ng pink. Sige. Para may back. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm with the baby.
Ay, my baby!
Ba yun sa akin? Wala! Ba't mo ako binibigyan ng sing? Nyama ko ng pink. Sige. Pink na pink! Kawawa. Sa side na tumigil na tayo. Isa pa?
May baby yung salon.
Is your balito? So that's it for this vlog. It's a lot of unboxing and disappointing moments, but yeah. See you in the next one. Bye!